Hi guys, it's me Ria and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be sharing with you all some high-end brands product recommendations for the Nykaa sale that is currently going on. So I did find quite a lot of exciting offers on Nykaa during this ongoing sale that they currently have, and I thought this is a good time for sharing my high-end product recommendations, because as we all know, high-end products are very expensive. So if you are going to get them at a good discount, then I think this is a perfect time if you want to try them out. So what I'm going to be doing is I am going to be going brand wise, and brand wise I will first mention what the offer is and then share my product recommendations from that particular brand, so that it's easier for you also to know the pricing and the discounts and stuff like that. So first let's start off with MAC. Like, when you talk about a high-end brand, and MAC has to come, right? So these are the products that I currently have from MAC, which I'm going to be recommending you. So for MAC, the offer that Nykaa has is that you buy 2 products and you get 1 product free, which is such a big steal, guys. Matlab, this kind of discount I don't think MAC has, or even Nykaa has ever come up with. So I think this is a perfect time if you want to try out MAC products, and this is the time, because it's like buy 2 get 1 free, so you're getting 3 products at the price of 2, right? So it's definitely a good deal. And now let me just start off with my product recommendation. So the first one, which I think is an absolute must have, जो आपको हम ज़रूर ही खरीदना चाहिए, is this one, the Studio Fix powder. I think काफ़ी बार मैंने इसके बारे में already जिक्र कर दिया है, but guys, this is such a good powder foundation, and if you do not like wearing liquid foundations, then you should definitely get this. This is totally full coverage, absolutely worth the price, like worth each and every penny you pay for this. It's totally worth it. So please do try out the Studio Fix powder foundation. I am 100% sure you're going to absolutely enjoy using this. My shade in this one is NC 43.5. So yeah, this is the first product that I would highly recommend you all to try. The second product that I'm totally obsessed with by MAC is this one. This is their strobe cream. You can see the container, how badly it is. I've used this. So this strobe cream I have in the variant of Gold Light, and the reason I'm recommending this and not the Pink Light variant is because if you're someone close to my skin tone, like thoda sa medium से slightly dusky skin tone पे हो, then I think the Gold Light variant जो है ना, that suits our skin tone in a better way. Okay, so let me just swatch it for you guys, so you guys can get an idea. So basically, this strobe cream, you can apply it before you apply your makeup, or after you apply your makeup, like a highlighter. So yeah, see here I have applied it. So this is my bare hand, okay, and you can see the shine right over here. This is the Gold Light. So basically it just gives your skin the natural glow, which looks so beautiful. Matlab, even if you do not want to wear any makeup, just apply this and still your skin will like nicely glow, So that is why this particular Gold Light variant, it has like a small little gold particles. It's not like visible to your eye, but it just reflects the light so well, and this particular shade Gold Light works really well for us medium, say dusky skin tone girls. That is why I would highly recommend, see the shine, I would highly recommend you all to try out the strobe cream. My third recommendation is this Fix Plus. Now, no points of guessing. Again, if you are buying this now, if you are buying the Studio Fix powder foundation, तो ये दोनों है ना, like this is like a perfect combination, like bread and butter होता है ना, वैसा ये combination है. If you are applying this, उसके ऊपर ये लगाना ही, because it just blends this powder foundation into your skin like it's your skin. इतना beautifully ये combination work करता है on my skin, and this is like a miracle in a bottle. I don't know, there's something in this that just helps to set your makeup so well. Like even if you have applied like a very heavy makeup, but a nice spritz of this on that on your face, and your makeup just sits so well. like even the longevity definitely increases, and also अगर कुछ ऐसे heaviness लग रहा है, cakiness लग रहा है, powderiness लग रहा है, सारा निकल जाता है after you spritz this after you're done with your makeup. So again I will highly recommend, मतलब ये 3 products तो आप definitely I would say in that buy 2 get 1 free offer you should definitely try out these 3 product का combination. I'm sure 100% you are definitely not going to regret this. So ये 3 तो पक्का ही ले लेना मैक से. उसके बाद I am going to be sharing 3 lipsticks and 1 mascara. तो ये जो mascara है I actually got a sample size when I got their Powder Fix foundation some time back. But I absolutely love this one and I'm definitely going to buy the full size of this one. This is their in extreme dimension 3D black lash. तो ये तो थोड़ा सा सैम्पल साइज मुझे मिला है, सो बट इसका जो वॉन्ड आप देखोगे ना, सी इसका वॉन्ड इट्स सो टाइनी है ना, दैट इज वाई इवन it coats even the tiniest of lashes, even the bottom lashes, because I have like very scanty bottom lashes, तो मेरे तो है ही नहीं. But with this it just nicely coats, मतलब this I really love the brush of this one, like the wand of this one. इसके bristles देखो, it's so tiny and I really love how well it nicely coats even the tiniest of lashes. That is why I really like this one and I would highly recommend. ये तो मेरा छोटा size है. I am also going to buy the full size once I'm done with this. But yeah, this mascara is also really good. Next, coming on to lipsticks by MAC. So I have 3 recommendations. The first one, no points for guessing, MAC Ruby Woo has to be it, cult favorite. You should definitely try it. I have their mini version, but अगर आप वो buy 2 get 1 free में ले रहे हो तो you can even go with the bigger version. I think that ways you will get a good quantity as well as save the price also. And the other 2 shade is Relentlessly Red and All Fired Up. So these 3 shades are my really absolute favorite by MAC. If you want to see Relentlessly Red and MAC All Fired Up on me, how it looks like, then I'll be putting in a link over here. इसमें I have done like a pink lipstick का swatches, so you can check that video out. उसमें मैंने दोनों Relentlessly Red as well as MAC All Fired Up wear किया हुआ है, so you can check those out. But yeah, these 3 lipsticks definitely must have from MAC. Those were all my MAC products. Now let's go on to Too Faced. So again, from Too Faced I do have a couple of product recommendations. The first one is my holy grail, my absolutely favorite foundation which I'm never ever going to stop buying, and this is the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. Again, I've done a complete in-depth review about this foundation. If you have not seen that, I'm going to be linking it up here. You can check that out. But basically this is like my holy grail foundation, and if there is a a function where I want to look totally absolutely flawless and even like with having full coverage, okay, then I am only going to be using this. Okay, matlab I only use this. It is that favorite of mine. Basically I absolutely am totally obsessed with this foundation. It's full coverage, but at the same time it does not feel heavy or cakey. It just gives a nice skin like finish, which I really like. And even this particular shade that I have, Warm Sand, is like my skin tone in a bottle. It's that perfect match for me. I'm also going to be doing a separate video where I'll be swatching all the foundation shades on me. So if you're similar to my skin tone, you can go through that video. अभी वो मुझे फिल्म करना बाकी है. I still have to film that, but yeah, definitely this one is my absolute holy grail foundation and I would highly recommend you all also to try out. The second one is this hangover primer. Now I have it in the tube form as well as I have it in the spray form also. So this basically tube form primer contains coconut water and it just makes my dry skin so much more moisturized and supple. Matlab I had used this even during my wedding, because you know how weddings are, wedding ke time pe you have to nicely moisturize your skin for the makeup to sit well on your skin, and this was the first primer that I had used during my wedding, and my wedding time pe bhi the makeup did not budge at all. There was one more primer which I had also used. I'll be sharing that also later, but this was the first base primer that I had used, एंड इससे आपका स्किन इतना मॉइस्चराइज्ड लगता है ना गाइज, इट जस्ट फील्स सो सपल एंड सो सॉफ्ट एंड सो वेल नरिश्ड, मतलब वेल रेस्टेड बोलते हैं ना, एकदम ऐसे अच्छे से 8 घंटे की नींद लेके आपका स्किन कैसा लगेगा वैसा इट जस्ट gives your skin that kind of a nice hydration which I really like, and also because it contains coconut water and all, तो बहुत अच्छे से आपका स्किन मॉइस्चराइज्ड हो जाता है। ये वाला मेरे पास उनका मिनी वर्जन है। I also have their bigger version, but I thought to recommend the mini version for you guys first, कि you know in case you want to try it out, तो I think you should go with the mini size. See, try out for yourself, देखो आपको कैसा लग रहा है, you know how you feel about it on your skin, and then you can probably go with a bigger size. So again, this छोटू वाला I will definitely recommend. The next one is this one. This is the 3-in-1 replenishing primer and setting spray. So in case you just don't want a primer but also a setting spray, तो इसके जगह आप ये खरीद सकते हो. This comes in a spray form. तो instead of applying, you can just spray it all over your face before you start applying your makeup. So it will work as a primer, and also you can use it after your makeup because it also works as a setting spray. So it's like a setting spray also and a primer also. Again, this one is the chotu version. This is a mini size that works really well. So yeah, I would again highly recommend this also. Iska bhi pricing and everything I'm going to be mentioning it over here along with the offer that Too Faced has, so you can decide if you want to buy it or not. So yeah, this was the next product from Too Faced. The third product is this one, the Too Faced Damn Girl Mascara. Now I already have their Better Than Sex mascara also, but for some reason I absolutely love this one. This one again is a mini size that I had got, but again iska jo wand I really like. This wand is very different to the MAC one that I showed you earlier. This is more chubby one, but this works really well for even separating and थिकनिंग योर लैशेस. ठीक है, मतलब ये जो आपके अपर लैशेस होते हैं, इट नाइसली इवन सेपरेट्स देम एज वेल एज थिकन्स देम. सो दैट इज व्हाई आई रियली लाइक दिस मस्कारा. ठीक है, दिस वन इज आई थिंक जस्ट 6 ml का मस्कारा, मिनी साइज आता है, बट आई थिंक दिस इज अगेन एन एब्सोल्यूट, you should definitely try out. Basically you will definitely not regret. If you have like very scanty lashes, then it will just give you a nice fuller look and at the same time बहुत अच्छे से वो थोड़ा सा थिकन भी कर देता है. तो डेंसिटी भी थोड़ा सा आपको लगता है अच्छा आपकी लैशेस की डेंसिटी भी बढ़ गई है. दैट इज़ वाई रियली लाइक दिस मस्कारा. अगेन दिस वन इज़ द मिनी साइज, तो आप ट्राई आउट कर सकते हो. अगर आपको अच्छा लगे देन यू कैन गो फॉर द बिगर वन. सो या, the last product from Too Faced is this one, Chocolate Soleil Bronzer. Unfortunately I am not going to be recommending this in this video because जो मैंने नायका पे देखा वहाँ पे they just have one shade in the bronzer, and this one जो shade मेरे पास है, this is called the Dark Chocolate Bronzer. Whereas जो नायका पे है that is just milk chocolate कुछ shade है वो name, and that is I think for lighter skin tones. That is why मैं ये recommend तो नहीं करूँगी, but in case you are able to find Too Faced products on any other website or from an Insta seller, then please do buy this one out. The Dark Chocolate Soleil Bronzer. This one works beautifully on NC42 and above skin tones पे, works really well as a bronzer. So I would highly recommend you all also to try this one out. So those were the products from Too Faced. Now let's get on with Becca. तो Becca में Becca is famous for its highlighters. So again that is what I'm going to be recommending. So the absolute favorite highlighter of mine from Becca is the Becca Champagne Pop. This one is a bigger size that I have. Okay, and I'm already wearing it right now, so you can see the beautiful glow that it gives. मतलब champagne pop ऐसा एक shade है ना, it's going to be universally flattering on every skin tone, even if you are fair or medium or dusky than me also. तो भी this particular shade champagne pop is going to look amazing on you, and this is how it looks like. It's a beautiful champagne color, and I've worn it over here and on my nose also, and like you can see, it just रिफ्लेक्ट्स लाइट सो वेल एंड योर जो स्किन, जो आपका स्किन है ना, इतना हेल्दी दिखता है ना, एज इफ इट्स लाइक लिटरली शाइनिंग फ्रॉम इनसाइड. So that is why I would highly recommend you all also to try out the Becca's Champagne Pop. Becca Champagne Pop is currently available in a mini size only for rupees 1200 or 1400. I'm not sure. I'm going to be mentioning it over here. तो या अगर आपको बहुत टाइम से Becca Champagne Pop लेना है, this is the perfect time. Do check out the links in the description box. मैंने वहाँ पे दिया हुआ है, इसका मिनी साइज दिया हुआ है, which is available for around 1200 or 1400. So must try highlighter if you are looking out for a good high-end highlighter. And the second product recommendation from Becca is their backlight priming filter. Now this is actually a liquid base highlighter, you can say, or you can even apply it on top of your makeup, but this is like, you know, like a blinding highlight. Agar, let me just watch it so aapko idea hai. So this is how it looks like, and you can actually apply this as a base, ठीक है, for see, this is like a bang on blinding highlight. मतलब you can use this as a base first and इसके ऊपर आप foundation लगाओ, so you know you will get that nice dewy foundation effect. Or you can even mix this because it's like a liquid form, तो आप foundation के साथ mix करके भी लगा सकते हो foundation, so that evenly आपका skin एकदम like lit from within लगे. तो yeah, this is like a blinding highlight. If you want like a bang on highlight, then Becca backlight filter, priming filter is the one for you. Again, this one I would not really recommend for like everyday makeup. वैसा नहीं, अगर कुछ special function है where you want to like शादी वगैरह है, engagement, वैसा कुछ function है, मतलब important function, then ये बहुत I would like totally recommend कि हाँ आप purchase करो. But अगर आप इतना कुछ ज़्यादा heavy makeup नहीं करते हो, ज़्यादा functions वगैरह में नहीं जाते हो, then you can skip this. You can go with the Champagne Pop. Champagne Pop फिर उसके लिए आपके लिए काफ़ी है. But if you are used to like heavy makeup, then definitely invest in this one. बहुत, you know, you will never regret buying this one also. So yeah, those were the two products. So yeah, these were the two products from Becca, which are my absolute favorite recommendations. The next brand is Benefit. So Benefit, say I have 3 product recommendations. So this one is my current favorite. So I'm actually obsessed with mascaras for some reason, and I thought, but still I wanted to share it in this video. So this is the Benefit Bad Girl Bang Mascara. This is a छोटो size, mini size मैंने लिया था, and this was for rupees 1240. But again, Benefit पे काफ़ी अच्छा ऑफर चल रहा है नायका पे. I'm going to be mentioning it over here. So in case you want to try out Benefit products, this is a perfect time. तो ये जो Bad Girl Bang Mascara है, again this is very similar. इसका जो wand है, it's very similar to the MAC one that I showed you first. It's very thin and बहुत ही छोटे छोटे bristles है, जिसके वजह से you know the एकदम छोटे से छोटा लैशेस बहुत अच्छे से कोट हो जाता है. एंड आई रियली लव द वे इट सेपरेट्स माई लैशेस. दिस वन डज नॉट थिकन योर लैशेस, बट अच्छे से वो कर्ल करता है, ठीक है. इट विल नाइसली कर्ल योर लैशेस एंड इवन सेपरेट देम, एंड इवन जो छोटे लैशेस होते हैं ना आपके, वो भी अच्छे से कर्ल करता है बिकॉज ऑफ इट्स वॉन्ड. दैट इज़ वाई आई विल रिकमेंड दिस वन. कि बेनिफिट का मस्कारा इज़ डेफिनेटली वर्थ ट्राइंग इफ़ यू आर लुकिंग आउट फॉर अ गुड वन. मतलब ये तो मेरे पास मिनी वाला है, तो दिस वर्क्स रियली नाइस. तो अगर आप बेनिफिट का कोई मस्कारा ट्राई करना चाहते हो, देन दिस बैड गर्ल Bang mascara is definitely the one for you. The next product recommendation from the Benefit is this one. It is the Pore Freshnal, but this is the hydrating primer. इनका एक अलग Pore Freshnal आता है, which is like a cult favorite. मतलब every makeup artist, if you'll see, they will be using Pore Freshnal. But I wanted to try out their hydrating version because I have like dry skin. तो मुझे देखना था इनका hydrating Pore Freshnal कैसे काम करता है. And this does a fabulous job. This is my recent discovery. मतलब ये मैंने पहले नहीं खरीदा था, otherwise I would have used this only in my wedding. But it does a fabulous job at even minimizing your pores. मतलब मुझे यहाँ पे है ना, around my this area I have a lot of pores, and this not only blurs those pores but even hydrates the skin at the same time. तो अगर if you are from the dry skin family, instead of the original Porefressional, I think you should try out this hydrate version wala. Again, this one is a mini size, and this was for rupees 1240 again. So yeah, I think this is a perfect time. अगर आपको try करना है तो ये mini size लेके देख लो. I'm sure you're going to love it if you have dry skin, and if you are looking out for a pore filling primer, then perfect रहेगा ये आपके लिए. So this was my second recommendation from Benefit. The third product recommendation from Benefit is their Go-Go tint. Now Benefit के tints are very like widely used. मतलब काफ़ी सारे लोग especially actresses use a lot of Benefit का tints, but the tint that I would recommend you is this one by the name is Go-Go tint. Okay, Benefit का Go-Go tint. Bennett tint मैं इसके लिए नहीं recommend करूँगी, because if you are someone like similar to my skin tone, medium से slightly dusky, Bennett tint didn't look good on me basically. So but this Go-Go tint looks really nice. I'll just swatch it for you guys. See, so it has this nice pink color, and it just looks so natural as a lip tint. See, okay, here it just looks so natural just as a lip tint भी अगर आप लगा लो, और just as a natural flush on your cheeks. बहुत अच्छा लगता है. Even if you do not want to apply any makeup, let me just apply it nicely, थोड़ा सा आपको अच्छे से दिख जाए. But basically, if you do not like applying too much makeup and still you want to, you want that flush of color on your lips or your cheeks, then ये वाला जो variant है Go-Go tint, it works really well on us dusky and medium skin tone girls. See, बहुत ही beautiful ये tint है. It gives a very natural flush of color, like you can see. So again, this Go-Go tint works really well, especially मेरे तो काफ़ी pigmented lips है. Originally I have like very pigmented lips, but still it looks nice on my pigmented lips also. Bennett tint, it didn't look great on my pigmented lips. तो अगर आपके pigmented lips है, then definitely try out this Go-Go tint. Those were the three Benefit product recommendations. Now let's get on with Makeup Forever. तो Makeup Forever में मेरे पास again 3 product recommendations है. 2 are their foundations. So Makeup Forever, I'm sure you'll already know, it's such a professional like brand like MAC. मतलब most of the makeup artists use Makeup Forever products for films and shootings and वगैरह. तो उसका ही मेरे पास 2 फाउंडेशन है. एक है लिक्विड फाउंडेशन. ये जो लिक्विड फाउंडेशन में मेरा जो शेड है 43Y है, Y43Y. दिस इज़ अ टैड बिट डार्कर फॉर मी, बिकॉज नाउ मेरा जो टैन है वो थोड़ा निकल चुका है. बट दिस वॉज ग्रेट व्हेन आई वाज अ स्लाइटली टैन. बट basically I'm going to be recommending to you the formula. Okay, so इसका जो formula है, okay, it's dirty, I've used it quite a lot. So Makeup Forever का HD Ultra HD foundation is great for people if who do not have a lot of marks on your face. ठीक है, मतलब it gives you medium coverage. It's not like full coverage like the Too Faced one, but if you're someone who likes like a light to medium coverage foundation which gives you like a flawless finish, and अगर आपके skin पे ज़्यादा you do not have a lot of acne marks or pigmentation, then this is the product for you. But if you have a lot of acne marks and pigmentation, then this is not going to give you like full coverage. It's just medium coverage, but the finish of this foundation is superb. मतलब it's so lightweight, you will not feel like you have applied anything on your face basically, but at the same time it will give you a nice like even tone to your skin, which I really like. So for people who do not have a lot of problematic skin, then this foundation, Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation, works beautifully, and so I will definitely recommend this to you. इसमें ही मैंने एक स्टिक फाउंडेशन भी लिया है, एंड इसमें मेरा शेड मैंने Y445 है, Y445. So this is how the stick foundation looks like. Again, I like stick foundations over liquid foundations because it's easy to apply. You just have to अप्लाई कर लो एंड हाथ से ही आप इसको ब्लेंड कर सकते हो. सो दैट इज़ वाई मुझे स्टिक फाउंडेशन ज़्यादा पसंद है. एंड ऑल्सो आई हैव नोटिस दैट द स्टिक फाउंडेशन का coverage is much more better than the liquid one. So yeah, that is why I thought of including both these in this video. Okay, if you are looking out for a light to medium coverage, then liquid one for you, and if you are looking out for stick foundations with a little better coverage, then this particular shade Y445 will suit perfectly for you if you are similar to my skin tone, which is NC43. And the last product from Makeup Forever, which is an absolute must buy, is this Ultra HD Micro Finishing Pressed Powder in the shade Banana. And I've already mentioned about this in my previous video, but basically if you are looking out for a good banana powder to set your makeup flawlessly without looking it cakey, this is the one for you. It comes in a pressed powder format, but it just gives, it's so finely milled na guys. Even if you set your under eye with this powder, it will, your under eyes will not crease. If you have problems of, you know, fine lines, smile lines, fine lines, set your face with this powder and your makeup will not budge at all. Especially, and मेरे को especially ये मेरे ये एरिया में, and to set my under eyes, I really like this banana powder because it nicely brightens. एक तो थोड़ा सा brighten हो जाता है, and ये area में ना मेरे को ना बहुत fine lines आते हैं, तो that also it does not come when I set my foundation using this powder. That is why I would highly recommend. थोड़ा सा expensive है, I do agree, but Makeup Forever brand है. It is like, you know, makeup artist के मतलब फिल्मों और उस सब में यूज़ होता है. सो डेफिनेटली इट्स गोइंग टू बी एक्सपेंसिव बट टोटली वर्थ द इन्वेस्टमेंट. इफ़ यू आस्क मी ओनली 2 products टू ट्राई फ्रॉम मेकअप फॉरएवर, देन आई वुड से गो अहेड विद द स्टिक फाउंडेशन एंड द सेटिंग पाउडर. ये दो बहुत अच्छा कॉम्बिनेशन है एंड इट्स टोटली वर्थ एवरी पेनी. Final two brands are Bobbi Brown and Smashbox. So from both Bobbi Brown and Smashbox, I am not going to be recommending too many products, but there are just 2-3 products which I think are worth mentioning. So from Bobbi Brown, the first product is this Instant Full Cover Concealer. Now I'm in the shade Warm Honey, and this is actually a very, very expensive product. I have to admit, it is for somewhere about 2,000-3,000 rupees. But this is a full coverage concealer. मतलब literally you just need a very tiny amount of it, ठीक है, like 3-4 dots in your under eye area, and it just manages to cover the pigment, मतलब जितना भी darkness होता है ना, it just covers it beautifully without even requiring a separate orange corrector. ये मैं इसलिए नहीं recommend, मतलब I'm definitely recommending कि it's a good product, but if you are someone on a budget, then this is definitely not for you because it is expensive. It's about 2,000-3,000 rupees का है, but totally worth it if you are looking out for a good, like high-end full coverage concealer. Then you should definitely try out the Bobbi Brown Instant Full Cover Concealer. I'm sure you will not regret it if you are buying this, but definitely अगर आपको इतना expensive, it's not in your budget, then you can easily skip this, but I really like using this. That is why I'm recommending. So this is the first Bobbi Brown product. The second product is by Smashbox. Now Smashbox का ये photo finish foundation primer is like my holy grail. जैसे मैंने आपको बताया था, मैंने अपने wedding के वक्त I had applied the Too Faced the primer first as my base primer. After that I had used this on my T-zone, ठीक है. So my this area, my forehead area, I have a lot of fine lines, so it's not like so visible now, but I have a lot of fine lines on my forehead area, and this particular primer, it just smooths those any, you know, like छोटू सा भी fine lines अगर आपको है around this area या you know on your forehead area, it nicely, you know, smooths it out और एकदम ऐसे flawless skin हो जाता है आपका with this primer. It is a silicone kind of primer, तो it has that silicone feel. That is why I wouldn't recommend this for your entire face, but if you have like very fine lines in some areas, then you should definitely try out this primer. एकदम ही smooth हो जाता है वो surface आपका. That is why I would highly recommend. ये वाला again मेरे पास mini size है. Again Nykaa पे I think there is a good discount going on the Smashbox primer. So definitely do check this primer out. Do try out the mini version. I'm sure you're going to love it because it just gives you that nice flawless base. So highly recommend. It's totally worth the hype. Yeah, so I will definitely recommend this also. And the last product recommendation is again by Smashbox, because Smashbox की हम बात कर रहे थे. So I will definitely recommend, अगर आपको उनके liquid lipsticks try करने हैं then do try out this 4 का set आता है. Okay, so ऐसे container में they have 4 of their liquid lipsticks, mini lipsticks that come in that box. And इसका again मैंने separate video किया हुआ है. If you have not seen that, I'm going to be linking it right here, so you can check those out. इसका मैंने review as well as swatches भी किया हुआ है. But basically Smashbox के liquid lipsticks are amazing formula. They are really nice, very comfortable. But obviously the full size is a little एक्सपेंसिव. तो अगर आपको सिर्फ ट्राई करने के लिए लेना है देन जो ये किट आता है, सेट आता है 4 का, इट्स समवेयर अबाउट 2200 रुपीज़. फॉर 2200 यू गेट 4 मिनी लिक्विड लिपस्टिक्स. तो ईच लिपस्टिक वुड कॉस्ट यू समवेयर अबाउट 400-500 रुपीज़, विच इज़ a very good price, 400 rupees for Smashbox liquid lipsticks. So definitely I will definitely recommend कि आप ज़रूर ये ट्राई कीजिए. अगर आपको Smashbox liquid lipsticks का फॉर्मूला ट्राई करना है तो ये किट इज़ डेफिनेटली वर्थ द इन्वेस्टमेंट. आई थिंक नीडलेस टू से Nykaa का ये जो करंट सेल है बहुत अमेजिंग है, एंड दिस इज़ द बेस्ट टाइम इफ़ यू वांट टू इन्वेस्ट इन दीज हाई एंड प्रोडक्ट्स और ट्राई आउट दीज हाई एंड प्रोडक्ट्स और दे आर मिनी वर्जन्स. दिस इज़ द बेस्ट टाइम, सो make sure you are taking that advantage. So yeah, that's it for this video guys. I hope आपको ये product recommendations अच्छे लगे. मैं और भी ऐसे product recommendations जब offers आते हैं Nykaa पे या Myntra पे, मैं अपने Instagram stories पे शेयर करती रहती हूँ. तो अगर आपने मुझे Instagram पे फॉलो नहीं किया है then please make sure you do, because on Instagram stories I do post a lot of good deals that I keep on seeing here and there. So yeah, please make sure you follow me on Instagram. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you like this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And also अगर आपको इस कोई भी products में से किसी का भी detail in depth review चाहिए then वो भी मुझे description में mention कीजिए, मैं ज़रूर उसको करूँगी. So yeah, that's it for this video guys. I'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye.